Good day, people. We're here in DC. Welcome once again to Philly Djawn, the food review. We're not only doing food reviews today, we're going to check out some hip hop at the Reach Center, Washington, DC. Philly Djawn. We about to check out Soultarian, their crab cakes. It's a vegan crab cake, and we're going to check out their chicken wings with the famous DC mumbo sauce. We're also going to check out Cali Burger and their fries. So just watch, and we on this journey, and hopefully everybody will like what they see. We need you to subscribe, we need you to comment, and we need you to hit that bell. So carry on, let's get it, baby. What made you start this business?
I was just trying to provide better options in my community where it was a food desert. So, you know, I wanted to bring some more vegan and vegetarian options. So instead of all that fast food and, you know, Chinese restaurants on every corner.
It's a real issue. With a pen, I can tell it better. I'm a real shit. Whether it is storm, it's like
so the vegan wings, the taste is good. It has the texture of chicken, but it's very chewy. So I can't say it's bad, but it's not for me. That's what I'll say. It's not for me. Now let's try these crab cakes. That's the one. That's it. I like that. It has a remoulade sauce that brings in the obey or the tanginess, the crabness. But that's zucchini, corn, made into like a crab cake on a bed of ancient greens. You can't go wrong with that. It's pretty good.
So pay attention, pay dues, no walking blindly. Everything will be alright, it's all about timing. Keep pushing because we're almost there.
So I'm going to say that's the one. The crab cakes is the one. The winner.
No walking blindly. Everything will be alright, it's all about timing.
And I got some cardamom ginger tea.
Yeah, my people, we almost there. Yeah. Check.
Sometimes silence is as golden as the word to a song. When you have a song, you usually have the drum as the heartbeat and bring in the bass line so we can feel good and move around and take a walk and have like that. Hey! Hey. Yo, we go 1, 2, 3. I call oodles and oodles of O's and O's. You get them from a sister, you get them from a bro.
So there you have it, people. We came to the Reach opening festival. We ate. We had a good time. We listened to some artists. It was about the hip hop, old to new. But all in all, we did DC and we about to head back north, 95. Philly djawn. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. Please check me out on Patreon /Philly djawn. Check out the merch page, Philly djawn merch. As always, that helps us go out and do these things, travel, go to eat, and all that. So I thank you very much for your support. Carry on, people.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to